Hello, my dear students. Now we are having question number 34. A charged particle is accelerated through the potential difference of a 12 kilovolt and acquire a speed 1 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. Then injected 2 perpendicularly into a magnetic field of a strength 0.2 Tesla. What is the radius of circle described? So, in this question, we are having uh, the formula for the radius is equal to mv divided by qb. Whenever any charged particle move in perpendicular magnetic field, it will move on a circular path, and radius of this circular path is equal to mv divided by qb, because this magnetic force which is perpendicular to the velocity will provide the centripetal force. So the radius is equal to mv divided by qb. But in this question, velocity is given and energy is given. Okay, this energy will convert into the kinetic energy. So this energy k will convert into kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Okay, so we can find value of m from this equation. So m will be equal to 2k divided by v square. If we are just placing the value of in this formula for the r, we will get the expression like r is equal to m is equal to 2k divided by v square into v square divided by qb. So we are getting 2k divided by v into q into b. Okay, because energy is given in the question and velocity is given, so we have to eliminate the mass is not given in the question. So this r is equal to, this r is equal to 2k. So 2, what is k? That is 12 kilovolt. So 12 into q into 10 raised to power 3. If any charge particle accelerated by v volt, so the energy k is equal to, this energy k is equal to E into V. But it will be Q into V, charge into the potential. Okay. So this 2 in the formula k, so energy is equal to 12 into Q into 10 raised to power 3, because it is kilovolt, divided by V. So V is equal to 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, Q as it is, and B is equal to 0.2 Tesla. So Q will be cancelled out. Now R will be, this will become 2 into 12 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 10 raised to power 6 into zero point 0.2, and this 0.2 can return as 2 divided by 10. So this 2 will cancel out, and this R will be 12 into 10 raised to power 3, and this 10 raised to power 6 divided by 10 will become 10 raised to power 5, and if this 10 raised to power 5 coming to the numerator will become 10 raised to power minus 5. So this r is equal to 12 into 10 raised to power minus 2 centimeter, minus 2 meter. So you can write this r is equal to 12 centimeter. R is equal to 12 centimeter, that is the radius of this circular path.